Hey everybody, hope you had a great summer. I'm Professor Lucien and this is just a really brief video, sort of a pre-semester video. So watch this and then try to do the work that I'm going to share with you. So I might quickly go over what I have so far for the syllabus. This is a hybrid course, but I don't know which students are going to be completely remote or online versus coming in sometimes versus those of you who are going to be there every week. And so that's the main focus is right now is I'll show you a link to a survey that I need you to take right away if you can. If you're watching this, please do that. I'll stress it in the email too. So we'll be meeting in 1307, but some of you can't make it, so we're going to try to do it remotely, and I will be broadcasting it on Canvas. So if you can't make it to campus because you don't feel well, you can still participate. So again, 1307. It's on the first floor of Highland. I'm sure you've been there. I'm going to try to have office hours on Wednesday before class, and I'll make myself available. There's no course textbook. The way this stuff says here, I'm going to try to do things a little bit differently based on what I learned in the spring. I'm going to try to get you guys get you all ready for that capstone internship. That's really important to me, but I'm also going to try and develop your soft skills, your social skills, and your professionalism, and try to improve networking. So here are the assignments. So please do that survey right after this is over, if not sooner. And then you've got the universities one at the end. Each week there'll be some sort of assignment. They're not real difficult. It's more aligned with updating your binder, updating your resume, updating your LinkedIn, doing job search stuff. And then as we get into the semester, we'll get more into the actual projects. I am going to grade you 20% this semester on professionalism and networking, and I'll talk about that in a moment. There is a binder because I need to get you ready for your capstone, get you comfortable with it. We've got 2 case studies. I think we're going to have more opportunities than that, but maybe I'll just take the highest 2 grades. That would be nice. And then you guys, I want you to do presentation at the end, and I'll be grading the binder twice. Once, I think week 7. The other time will be at the end of the semester during the finals week, I believe, or the week before, one of the two. Active learning, what I want you to do is make sure you prepare to come to lecture. Know what we're going to talk about. Each lecture will have an agenda because I want to get you used to that. So instead of a lesson plan, it'll be an agenda, and we'll go through it, and I'll try to host it that way. So for now, the Canvas is going to open on Friday at 1 in the morning or midnight or whatever. So please complete the pre-survey as soon as you can. As soon as the course opens, please upload your resume. It doesn't have to be updated or anything. I want to see where it is now. And please upload a URL to your LinkedIn. If you don't have that, just say I don't have it yet. So for the first week, we're going to kind of review some of this, but what I want to do is really talk about resume, talk about LinkedIn. There will be a job search assignment for the week. I'll also talk about ASSP because I want everybody to join as a student. It's only $15, and I'll show you how to do it in a moment. And then I'll review what everybody put in for the survey, and we have a few problem-solving exercises I like to do in class. And then as you see, I'm just going to be really getting you ready for the career fair on October 5th. After that, we'll start going out to sites. Yeah, but I need to, again, the most important thing is I need to know who's going to be, in class and not. So here's the Canvas site. Again, by September 6th at the very latest. It'd be nice if you got it done right away. And I'll review that, and I'll be I'll review what's required for the capstone, so you know what that is. I'm going to have help documents that I have stored in my Dropbox for LinkedIn and for being a student member. Yeah. And then I also have other, wait, what is that thing up there if I didn't? Oh, okay, that's just A&D syllabus type stuff. Okay, here is the capstone stuff and graduation. And then here's week 1. I'll start out with an agenda. Here it is. But I'll update it a little bit, and then I'll have everything there. So before you come to class Wednesday afternoons, review that, please. So next, what I'd like to do is just talk about a few opportunities that we have coming up. First, and probably most importantly, because even though it's going to be on the 8th, Thursday the 8th, you need to RSVP by September 1st. So that's this week to Eric Brown at m3insurance.com. On Thursday morning at 9 a.m. over at the Community Engagement Center, which is the old grocery store right next to Walmart. We have Mary Bauer, who is the area director for Eau Claire, OSHA, is going to come and give us an OSHA update. And there's going to be all kinds of different professionals. I think there's going to be like 25 or 30 professionals from the Jefferson County area safety network. So this is a great opportunity. It's free. So it'll go from like 9 until 10. So if you are available, please go. The more of these you go to, the more I'll put points into that 20%, which is the networking professionalism. I want you to be going. This is the first one. This is an easy one to get. I haven't really figured out the whole scoring system. I'll probably have it ready by the first day of class, but please go sign up for this. Next, I have, okay, this is the syllabus. So the Student Safety Organization, I would like you all to get involved with that. I want you to join ASSP. That's the qualifier to get into the SSO. So we've got the OSHA update on September 8th. On the 23rd, we have a tour of the ENSA facility, which is a training center near East Troy, in which they train people to do fall protection and high-angle rescue. And that's really important, especially if you're in construction. That's a very important thing. So please, that'll be free. We'll be signing up for that soon. The week after that, there's a 2-day professional development conference in Waukesha. It's $25 for students. Let's see if I can find that. So here we go. No, that's Jefferson area. What did I do with the other thing? Oh yeah, here we go. So here's the 2-day thing. In-person conference, Waukesha. This is just the save. It's $25 for undergraduate students, and that's for both days. That includes meals and stuff like that. If you want to book a room, I believe today was the final day. It's the 29th today to get the rate. I didn't expect anybody to do that, but it's probably not that much more. Or you could just say, hey, I still need it. As far as what sort of events, there's going to be some socializing, some networking on the evening of the Thursday. Here's a list of speakers, and I can give this to you. I'll make this available on the website. There's 4 different breakout sessions throughout I'll be speaking at it, and I think on day 2 we've got Professor Evangelisti and Dr. Bookman. They're there too. So, and a lot of these speakers I've actually invited into my classroom. So, good speakers, good 2 days, good socialize. Good. Why do I say socializing? I mean networking. The last thing I think I wanted to point out is I want you to, if you want to register for the conference, it's through the wisconsinASSP.org. This is where you can pay by credit card undergraduate student. I'll have that on the canvas. The other is to become a student member. There's 2 ways you can do it. You can either go to the ASSP.org. Again, I'll have this on the site. Click on students, and you can go to apply to join. Or if you go to membership, I believe, I thought it was here. Membership join. There it is, renew join. It's under that too. But for students, if you want to get more information, for students, I'd go here. Click on apply to join. You may go to the same page as the other one too. And then you just got to fill out the information. It's $15 per year. If you want the paper version of professional safety, which is this, it's an additional, I believe, $17. So it'd come to like $33 or $32 or whatever it is per year. Scroll down, become a student member. Again, see, $15 per year. Includes 1 free practice and common interest group. So you can choose whatever you want. Our parent chapter is the Wisconsin chapter. So you got to put in your email address and continue, and you start building it. I believe there is a current membership drive going on, and I will provide you with that code as well. Just might give us more resources for the Student Safety Org. The other thing is I want you to I'd like everybody to also join the Student Safety Org. Again, you join this, you may as well join that, because we do have a lot of events planned. Up to and including, we're going to try to have an alumni event. We've got the career fair on the 5th, which is going to be kind of the focus for the first 4 weeks of the course. I'm speaking the week after that. And we're going to go on a different tour every month of a different industry. So great opportunities for you. And if anybody's interested, we could use more volunteers for our group. Some of us have been meeting all summer long to try and plan out all the stuff we've got going on. We're going to try to get nifty new shirts, and it's all good. So that's pretty much everything I have. Do the survey. I'll have the link to do that. Go to the site, start reading stuff over, upload your resume, your link to your URL. If you don't have them, you can do them quick. But that's what we're going to be focusing on at the beginning, and then we'll transition and start going to sites at the end. I look forward to working with you all this semester.